Hey there, today let's take a closer look at the newly released phone gimbal from Xiaomi. On the front, there's the Mijia logo, the battery duration indicator, the power key, and also the key for starting and stopping video recording. Above that is the photo key and then the direction joystick and the status indicator. We'll get to that later. And finally is the bracket for your phone. Now move to the back. We see the port for the strap, the lock key. We see the right key is for zoom in or out. On the side, there is a micro USB port for charging. At the bottom, we're glad to see the 1/4 inch thread, which enables you to mount on tripod or other accessories. Awesome, compact, refined, and elegant. It could be the perfect gift for anyone who is fond of photography. Before placing the phone on the Mijia phone gimbal, you have to download the fimiApp from Google Play or App Store. Please notice that it's not compatible with Mijia Action Camera or Mijia Home app. Now you can just slide your phone into the gimbal clamp. Before turning on the gimbal, you have to balance your phone. Adjust the lock wheel here. Make sure the phone's center of gravity is in line with the pan motor, and then lock it. Perfect. Now let's turn on. Long press the power key for 3 seconds to turn the gimbal on. Click the fimiApp, enter the device. You will come to this interface. Click the Bluetooth icon on the top left. It will ask you to turn on the Bluetooth of your phone. After that, it will search the gimbal Bluetooth and connect. Sometimes it reminds you to update the firmware. You can either update now or go back to the main interface. I'm choosing update now. It takes a few minutes. During the update, make sure the app and the gimbal are connected properly and the battery is sufficient. You can see the LED indicator flashes blue and red alternatively. Once the update finished, it will reboot the device and at the same time, the indicator will be blue stay on. The Bluetooth icon turns to blue as well when connected. Now I'm going to elaborate the interface one by one. Hope you won't get confused. The icon beside the Bluetooth is the Smart Track. Select the object in the video and then it will track the target in unlimited 360-degree angle automatically. Then it's the flash. You can choose water, turn on or off. The icon in the right of flash means gimbal status. Mijia phone gimbal supports 4 modes, which are horizontal mode, side mode, upside down mode, and flashlight mode. Now move to the right bar of the interface. The sun icon is for white balance adjustment. Water, daylight, fluorescent, tungsten, and cloudy. Move up is the album. Everything you shot will be here. The shot key, the video recording button, and the camera switch key. Now the settings. Currently, they are all in Chinese, but will be translated to English very soon, as the Fimi team told me. Anyway, let's take a look one by one. The first is usage scenarios. Here is for you to choose different modes. It has standard, sports, and weary mode. Each becomes more sensitive than the last, and when in weary mode, the tilt motor will be locked. Of course, you can adjust the sensitivity by your own habit. Next is the setting for the lock key. Once you short press twice, the gimbal will back to center if it's not. Here you can set one short press to none, lock or release the position of the gimbal, photo key, start, stop recording, or long press to fast follow, kind of like phone go mode on Zhiyun Smooth 4. You can also define 3 short press to switch the camera or turn around 180 degrees of the gimbal. Either way, it will be in selfie mode or the normal shooting mode. Then we see an option for adjusting the pan and tilt mode speed. You can even reverse the direction for pan and tilt here. I've seen a lot of gimbal, each has different direction controlling about that, and you can easily get confused, but here you can set it by yourself. Thumbs up. Gimbal calibration. Please keep the gimbal stable while calibrating. Gimbal horizontal calibration. And the last 3 are firmware update, new user's guide, and the reset gimbal parameters. Now, let's talk about the camera settings. First things first, the gimbal currently only supports up to 4K 30 FPS resolution. That means if your phone has a higher specs than this, it won't show in the option. I've already submitted this to Fimi team and they said they are evaluating it now. Hopefully, they will bring it on the gimbal soon. The pattern, you can choose none, square grid plus diagonals, square grid only, or center point. You can even choose to mute the video while recording. The last is to reset the camera settings. Last but not least, I'm going to introduce you the video mode that comes with it. Now on Android, you can only find the default time-lapse and the motion time-lapse mode. On iOS, you can find the Hitchcock and the slow motion. No worries though, the Android system will be updated with these 2 new features very soon. What is Hitchcock, by the way? Well, with it, you can take cool videos like this. Awesome, right? How to do that? Basically, you set the start zoom point and the end zoom point, and also you can choose the time duration and the start and then you try to move as smooth as you can, then bingo. While for slow motion, it's easy to understand. After several days of testing, I gotta say I'm very much impressed by this lightweight and elegant gimbal. Easy to operate, generates this awesome, smooth and cinematic footage. Whether you want to use it as daily vlog gear or want to record videos for family, you just can't miss it. Besides, it has 16 hours of battery life. I can use it straight up for more than 3 days, and the price costs about $100. Super cost effective. Since everybody has a smartphone, and the next thing to step up your video production, look no further than this Mijia gimbal. And I'm Sami, hope to see more of your creation with it. See you in next videos.